First, click on the YouTube search bar at the top of the page. Type in your search query. In this case, we're looking for Harvard lectures. Press enter or click the search button to execute the search and load the results. Browse through the search results by scrolling down to find a video that interests you. Click on the video you want to watch. This will take you to the video page where we can use the Aha Moments extension. Now that we have our video selected, let's explore how to generate and work with the video transcript using the extension. Click on the transcript button in the Aha Moments extension to start generating the transcript. The extension will show extracting, please wait, while it processes the video content. This might take a moment. Once the transcript loads, you can scroll down to explore the complete text. Continue scrolling to see more of the transcript content. Let's check out the Chapters tab to see how the content is organized. Click on different chapter links like Introduction and Chapter 2 to jump to specific sections of the video. Switch back to the Transcript tab to return to the text view. Click the Pro Transcript button to access the enhanced version with additional features. Scroll through the Pro Transcript to see the improved formatting and the structure. Feel free to toggle between the Chapters and Transcript tabs to explore both views and find the format that works best for you. Next, we'll generate an Aha brief summary to get the key insights from this video. Let's switch to the Aha Brief tab and click the Aha button to generate a comprehensive summary. The extension will show thinking and working messages as it processes the video content to create your personalized summary. Your Aha Brief is ready. You can scroll through the different summary sections to explore the key insights and takeaways from the video. And that's how you can quickly transform any YouTube video into actionable insights using the Aha Moments extension. Thanks for watching and happy learning.